Good morning and welcome to the Smart Financial Planning 14th of September review of the weekend papers. There's an old adage in investing and it goes like this: sell in May and stay away until St Leger's Day. Well, St Leger's Day was yesterday, May a few months ago, and the stock market in the UK has risen nearly 20% over that period. What does it tell us about this old adage? Excuse me, it tells us nothing. It tells us that it is nothing other than a story that the stockbroker belt used to justify for the very long holidays. Unfortunately, an awful lot of people have taken that investing philosophy to heart. So since 1933, 2009's May to September period has been the best performing period ever. And if you followed the old adage of sell in May and stay away until St Leger's Day, your portfolio would be significantly worse off. Smart financial planning rabbits on about this all the time, trying to time when to be in and when to come out of the stock market is an impossible thing to do with any regularity and to generate any long-term success. There are a plethora of statistics that show you how important the odd day is every year to be invested on that day, and there is nobody who can try to tell you that they know when that day is. If you take these odd days out, you end up with performance that's frankly atrocious. If you're in for all of these days, you end up with a performance that allows us to recommend to people that they hold equity investments amongst their investment portfolio. So what's the lesson? Other than don't listen to old wives' tales, the lesson is very simple. The stock market in the short term are very unpredictable, and no old wives' tale is going to change the predictability of it. In the long term, however, there has been nothing consistently that you can invest in that will generate you a better return than investing in the stock market. Obviously, we have to be mindful of people's tolerance for risk, and in general we would build a portfolio that includes more than just shares. But the way to make money in the long term is to make long-term investment decisions, not either try to time the market, jump in and jump out based on some premise, and it's certainly not to avoid the market altogether and just run and put your money in deposits. It's a very difficult way to make money. Look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.